Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In 2025, transferring money has never been easier, especially if you're a UBA customer using their USSD code. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send money quickly and securely, right from your phone's dialer. This method is perfect for when you're on the go and don't have internet access. First things first, make sure your UBA account is linked to your mobile number. If it isn't, you'll need to visit a UBA branch or use the mobile app to register it. It's a quick process to avoid any hiccups later. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Grab your phone and dial the UBA USSD code, which is *919#. You'll see a menu pop up on your screen. Step 2. From the menu, select the Transfer or Funds Transfer option. It might say something like 1 for transfer, so just follow the prompts. Step 3. Choose the type of transfer, whether it's to another UBA account, another bank, or even internationally if you're set up for it. Step 4. Enter the recipient's account number carefully to avoid any mistakes. Double-check it before moving on. Step 5. Input the amount you want to transfer, and if prompted, add any necessary details like a reference or narration. Step 6. Finally, enter your transaction PIN to confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation message almost instantly. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Always verify the recipient's details to prevent errors or fraud. Never share your PIN with anyone, and if you suspect any issues, contact UBA's customer support right away. This USSD service is not only fast but also secure, making it a go-to for everyday banking. There you have it. Transferring money with UBA USSD in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.